Hello, welcome to another 9 University review. My name's Cale Abrahamson. I'm the CEO here at 9U, and I just want to do this review on Amazon itself. Is it still a good opportunity to sell on Amazon FBA after everything crazy that's happened in 2020 and going into 2021 and 2022 and the rest of this decade? Is it still a good thing to do? Is it saturated? Are there too many sellers? Is there too much competition? I'm headed up on the roof because I feel like this deserves a rooftop moment. And the way that I'm going to do this, guys, is very, very simple, okay? I'm not going to try to script this out or just show you the best people or just show you the people that are winning, just show you the people that are losing, just show you fake screenshots. You know, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here on the roof. Wow, my table is, whoa, the rug is wet too. But at least we're up here on the roof. Check this out. Check it out. Pittsburgh! You know, it's cool. But anyway, okay, I'm going to try to sit down. It's all wet. It must have rained all day. Okay, I'm just going to literally, perch right here. And I'm just going to go through... Oh, man. Let me clean this off. I'm just going to sit here at this wet table because, you know what? I wanted to be on the roof. Okay, I hope my computer doesn't break. Give me a second. 1 sec. I'm getting a towel. Okay, I'm back. Let me wipe this table off real quick. Okay, I apologize for that, guys. As you can see, I don't like to script these reviews. There is no point in showing you guys stuff that isn't real or is manufactured or anything. So I'm literally just going to go in this group right here, show you all of our student Facebook groups where we actually, teach people how to sell on Amazon. And I'm going to see if people are actually having success with it right now so that you can know if it's an actual real thing, okay? So I'm not going to script any of this. I'm literally just going to explore the Facebook groups. You guys with me? Let's see what people are doing. So if you come in here to our 9 University group, you can see there's a ton of people in here. I think one of the cool things would be to show you really quickly, this is something that only I can really see, is the engagement in this group. So last 28 days, guys, we've had 6,292 people active in this group. That is incredible. That is... Why am I out of breath? I mean, that is incredible. I mean, that is a wealth of knowledge, guys, as far as people coming in and just being active. Being active means that they've posted, commented, or reacted to anything in the group. And so that's a big community where you can bounce ideas off people, you can brainstorm with people, people can hold you accountable. It really is a fun group. I promise you'll have a blast in this group. But anyway, this is just one of the groups. Obviously, the elite group, the VIP group are even better. But let me go in here. How do I get back? I don't even really... Okay, there we go. I don't come to that screen a lot. Okay, now let me just search, so it'll make this easier. So if you come into the group, one of the ways to get motivation is to search for the word scoreboard. So anytime anyone has success, anytime anyone is, doing well on Amazon, they post and they just say scoreboard, okay? And this is what people are posting recently. So obviously I sorted it by most recent. Let's just go through here, okay? So these ones don't seem to be the right topic, but this one says slowly but surely scoreboard. Okay, so Justin posted his first sale. He sold 1 unit today. Perfect. I mean, amazing. Lots of people are saying congratulations. Good job, Justin. Okay, so he got his first sale. That's awesome. And I love how people are honest and they say slowly but surely, or they say stuff like, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Like, it takes work and effort and you have to put the time in. So let's see Daniel. So Daniel says scoreboard, not where we want to be, but trying to get back after being out of stock for 39 days, got inventory back. Okay, so Daniel has been crushing it. We'll probably see more of his screenshots as we go, but he went out of stock. It was a weird error that he had with Amazon. So that makes sense. Okay. Good job. Good job, Daniel, getting back in stock. Okay, Andrea. Andrea says her FBA journey has sucked, but she hasn't quit. Andrea has an interesting story. She was selling on Amazon before she ever came to us and had like 15 products and has tried to narrow some of them down. And it's been a tough road just to kind of clear out those products and get new ones in, but she's getting there. Look at her. I mean, there we go. I mean, she's moving back up, and she said, she only fails when she quits, right? She hasn't quit. She's on live streams all the time. She's crushing. I love Andrea. She's always asking amazing questions. Let's keep going. Richie, no one's really posting though. Okay, here we go. Michael, Monday scoreboard. Feels great to be up. This is September 7th, 2020. Feels great to be up and kicking butt again. Working on getting another 6,000 units in ASAP. Wow. Selling over 100 units a day and growing. Wow. Hang in there and keep fighting your butts off, too. $31,000 in the past 30 days. 35 units today alone, $540. Obviously, a ton of people saying congratulations. And it's just fun to have, this many people supporting you. I mean, look at this, right? So Michael's amazing. If you go and search Michael, he owns the brand Cedar Sense. He's been very vocal about his brand. Some people want to keep their brand secret. Some people want to, tell the whole world. But Michael's told everyone basically where he's at. And he's had an amazing time, an amazing journey. If you want to talk to him, I think Michael would be a great person to ask about the program. But he's awesome. He's also an elite. He's an elite member as well. So I'll show you in the elite group in a second. Okay, Cornelius. Cornelius, another beast. He said hi. He's Cornelius. He's one of our elite coaches now. He's actually been a student for close to 3 years now, I think. And let me see. Let's just read what he said. Okay. I just want to say, if you put in the work and you do the course, you can do it. We didn't make it to 20K as we wanted to this last month due to running out of stock, blah, blah, blah. We recently became credit card and school loans debt-free, found renters for our 5-bedroom house in Texas for the next 2 years, and are now traveling the states in our 5th-wheel RV, exploring and enjoying our time with our 3 kids. In California now for some beach time after traveling through a hot New Mexico and Arizona summer. Holy crap. Look at that. Look at him. Wow, Cornelius is amazing. He literally is taking his kids, and guys, I didn't script this, obviously, as you can see. I'm just going through, but he did $152,000 since September 1st, so he did $152K a month. Wow, that's pretty intense. Wait, right? Is that right? Oh, that's a whole year. $152K since September 2019. Okay, that's a little bit. That makes more sense. Okay, $152K, and absolutely crushing it. He's obviously one of our coaches now as well, and just an amazing guy who's been helping a ton of people do this thing just like he has been. Is that light bad on my face, guys? It's all bright out here. Let me slide this table. Oh, I'll just go to the other side where I'm in the shade. You guys are probably like, why did this dude come up on the roof? I just like being out here on the roof, you know? It's cool. Okay, cool. So Cornelius is awesome. You guys can read that yourself. Helicopter. All right, Andrea says blah, blah, blah. Let's keep going. There's Michael. I already saw that one. Okay, Malia. Hey guys, total transparency. Scoreboard 30-day launch. Sold out of one product today and the other product in one variation 4 days ago. Just now checked in and active. Back in stock finally. All organic sales. Blah, blah, blah. $1,375 in the past 30 days. And she has a balance in there of looks like $1,800 it looks like. Wow, okay. Making money. And it looks like it's headed in the right direction. Amazing. Okay. It says, don't forget to check in with your fast track coaches. Okay, yeah. She loves fast track. She's amazing. Okay. Who else we got? Ryan Stevens. Scoreboard. Hit the 6K a month revenue, inching closer to that financial freedom goal. I will say, too, for those who look at this and believe it's all profit, please don't think that and don't get discouraged. After cost of goods, my profit comes to around 13 to 18%. It seems low, but I'm paying far more in advertising to rise my value and my review count. It's a lot of fun once you get to this point because now I'm just testing different methods and making the process easier. So he talks about the profit margins, very honest there. $6,000 in sales in the past 30 days, and it's growing like crazy. It looks like whoop, that's pretty sweet. 215% in the past 30 days. Good job, Ryan Stevens. Okay, guys, as you can see, I hope I'm not boring you, but look at this, guys. I could keep going forever. Let's keep going. Who else we got? I just didn't want this to be scripted. Look, $1,700 past 30 days for Jack Harris. And again, guys, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm not showing you billion-dollar numbers here because on purpose. Look, Pedro did 15K. I'm just showing you them in order. This is July 11th. I'm showing you them as they come in. I'm not trying to be, oh, these are all of our amazing students who are doing $100,000 a month. And they are. There are a lot of them. But there's so many people that are doing this. I think that's more important to see that there's a wide variety of people that are crushing it. Look, Susan, about last night. This is on June 10th. First and foremost, I want to thank God for the guidance and the strength. And most importantly, 9U, Kale, and Taylor, all their staffs. Hey, thank you. Thanks, Suzanne. I truly would love for everyone in this group to know that I could do it. You could do it too. Patience is a factor. Never giving up is going to make you win. 2 days ago, I posted how it took me months of hard work to find the perfect product. Wow. Mission is possible scoreboard. $25,000 in the past 30 days. 3,000 units in $3,000 in 1 day. 80. Look at that. Guys, just look at that. Is it possible in 2020 and 2021 and 2022? Susan, I think, would say yes. And guys, I can't stress this enough. Everyone else on the internet is going to just show you a curated list of their top 100 students. And I can do that too. I can go through here and pick out the best ones. We can go to Sharon and just start crushing it if you want. $60,000 a month. 5 times better than last year, Wall of Fame. My man Sharon is crushing it. I can go through and pick out the Sharons and the Michael Vales of the world and all of these people that just continually crush it on Amazon day in and day out. But I don't really want to do that. I don't want to, look, Sedona, $23,000 a month. Boom. I don't need to script it at this point, guys, because it's happening to a wide variety of people from all walks of life. Whether it's, it's men, women, black, white. Like, it doesn't matter where you're from, what your race is, who your parents are, what your background is. Like, in this world where everyone's trying to divide us and everyone's trying to say, you know, you can't do it, you can't do it. Well, everyone can do it. Look, Franklin, 100K with 7 months in. This is so inspiring. Oh, he's talking about Ronald Bell. I haven't even talked about Ronald Bell yet. Let's go to VIP. We'll start talking about some other people. Goodness gracious. Excuse all these messages. I'm always trying to help people out, obviously. Okay, let's do scoreboard. We're in VIP now. And let's go. Okay, so Patrick Burrows. I didn't sort it by most recent, but Patrick Burrows, this is his first 30 days in the program. He almost hit $4,000. That's pretty awesome. 30 days, 4K. Okay, Paul Welch. $17,000 a month. Pretty great. I don't know what to tell you guys. I could go on and on and on. Cornelius. This is him again. There he is again at the beach. He's literally just traveling the world working from a laptop. I mean, if that's what everyone wants. This is back when he was only doing $3,400 in a week, right? He says he's thankful to us. Don't sweat the small orders. I mean, he's an amazing guy. I would encourage you to talk to Cornelius, obviously. Who else? Malia again. Chris White. Boom. That's a European student. He's in the UK. Tyler Ross hit 10K after 30 days. Boom. Let's keep going. I mean, I could go for days. Look at this. I don't want this video to be 8,000 years long, but this is like Bobby Pullen back in the day. If you want to really see some crazy stuff, like if we go back here, Bobby's an elite student as well, but he didn't really know how to use the Facebook groups at first. So he posted everything in here. And Bobby, like, if I want to curate stuff, guys, like, come on. Like, we can go back to best day. Okay, when he first started, he literally got 30K in his first month. 30K month to date, his first full month selling on Amazon, ran out of both products by December 17th. Happy New Year. Like, this dude came in the program and, like, set records, literally, for selling. So I could do this for each person. Like, I'm not only, like, look at this. Look how many times Bobby has posted about his scoreboard results. Look at that. I mean, I can't make this stuff up, guys. I don't know what to say. Kyle Stevens, like, you want to talk about some beasts, like 25K a month. This is some old school stuff. This is back in 2019. I got to sort this by most recent. Kyle's up to like 60 or 70K a month now. Let me see. And again, guys, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but JJ's back to 5K a month. Boom. Luke, first week back in stock. Did $1,000 in his first week back in stock. Corbin sold out. Did $23,000 and sold out. Pretty awesome. He said what got some Netflix recommendations. Last week was an 11K week before he sold out. That's pretty good, I guess. $11,000 in a week. I would take it. Should I just keep going? I mean, do you guys just want to keep going? Like, here's Chad talking about one of his inspections. Boom. He blurted out because he doesn't want people to steal his product. Don't blame you, Chad. No worries there, brother. But look, as you can see, guys, I mean, I don't know how much you guys want me to do, but I could scroll here. Let's just scroll for like another year, maybe. And so if we're answering the question, you know, does Amazon FBA work? This guy, Wes, played basketball with me in China a few years ago, and he's even doing it. So, like, anyone can do it. I'm not saying Wes, basketball players can't do it. Clearly, I did it. I don't know why it came out like that. I'm just saying that you don't have to be a business person. Like, Wes is a baller. Like, Wes is one of the best basketball players I've ever played with, and he came into our program and started selling on Amazon and crushed it. Like, it doesn't matter what your background is. It doesn't matter where you're from. Like, we're helping people do this, okay? And so, yeah, I could keep going for days if you guys want. You guys can come in here and check this out yourself. But I think if I'm really going to sit here and review, gosh, there's so many messages. If I'm really going to sit here and review Amazon FBA, like, is it a good opportunity? Can you put a product up and sell? I got to go into our elite group and show you some of the people in here. But also, just seeing the bulk of this is what you want to see, right? You don't want to see one person, an outlier who got lucky and made a bunch of money, right? What you want to see is hundreds and thousands of people who have done this well, because that means that anyone can do it. That means that if you put the work and the blood, sweat, and tears in, that you can do it, right? And so let's check the elite group. It's our most elite group. Obviously, this is where our best students are because they get the most support. I mean, Sharon did $60,000 a month. That's pretty good. I don't know what to say. Cornelius, we talked about already. Tom, $5,654 in 30 days, $1,400 in profit in 30 days. Would you like an extra $1,400 a month? Well, Tom did that, okay? There's Tom again. Cornelius, Kyle, these are out of order. Let's do most recent. Okay, Kyle says Giovanni's going to be on the scoreboard soon. Okay, he's just hyping up some people. That's good. I love that. There's Tron again, Ed Manning, Tom again, Heather again, Tron again, Pamela. These scoreboards are inspiring me a lot. Love it. So some of the elite people definitely just post in the bigger groups because there's more people to like comment and stuff, and sometimes they don't want to post twice. But I know for a fact, let me just scroll through here. Andrew month 2, Heather month 2, John McKenna, Natalie. There's Kyle again. Sean's been blowing up this elite group. Okay, gotcha. So it looks like everyone from the elite. I know a bunch of these students, like I told you, Bobby and Ron and wait, where's Ron? Ron should be in here. I don't know why they're not posting in this group. I'll have to tell them to post it in the elite group. I think what they're doing, guys, is they're like 90% of these scoreboards that I showed you in here are actually elite students. But they're posting in the bigger group because they have access to all 3 groups and they want to get the most feedback and the most encouragement and just the most people to see it to kind of encourage people. The reason we do the scoreboard, guys, is so people that, whether you're in elite or VIP or whatever program you're in, the goal is to encourage people to not quit, right? To not give up. So I think they're just posting it back in that group. I hadn't really, as you can see, guys, I didn't script this. So there you go, the honest truth. There's not a lot of scoreboard posts in the elite group, but I know for a fact that most of the people posting scoreboard posts are in elite. So maybe they just want to post in the other groups because there's more people in there, but that makes total sense. We actually run like 10 live streams a week in this elite group, which is really, really nice. That's one of the perks of elite. 10 live streams a week in here, 6 live streams a week in VIP, and yeah, it's pretty crazy. So that's what I got for you guys today. I just want to encourage you that if you are thinking about doing Amazon FBA, and you're reading reviews about it, and should I do it, or should I do 9 University, or blah, 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 I would encourage you to talk to some of the people that have actually tried it. A lot of the people that, even some of the people that have reviewed our company have never been through the program, and so it's kind of annoying when you see people that don't know what the heck they're talking about because they're not in here, right? If you're not in here actually doing the work, you don't really have the right to say that something is crap, right? So I would encourage you to talk to some of these people. Talk to Cornelius, talk to Shron, talk to Andrea, talk to Malia, talk to Tyler, talk to Luke, talk to Natalie, talk to Kyle, talk to TJ, talk to JJ. Like, these are real people, right? Luke, Francis, Chad, Tina, Corbin, Shron. I mean, these are real human beings, guys. I would encourage you to talk to them and ask them what they think, because the people that have actually tried Amazon are the best ones to let you know if they think you can do it as well, right? So that's all I got. 9 University, reviewing Amazon FBA, and just from the bottom of my heart, I would like to say this last thing, that Amazon won, okay? COVID kind of decimated everything. Like, I'm up here on the roof in Pittsburgh, but, you know, it's a nice quiet street. But if you pictured these streets as businesses, if I was on a business street and every one of these was a business, I would say 50 to 60% of this entire street would be shut down because of COVID, right? You guys know this, right? But Amazon isn't shut down. Like, there's probably Amazon packages on the porches of, you know, most of these houses right now, pretty much all of them. I see the trucks every day. And so Amazon won. That's okay. The way for you to benefit from that is to get closer to Amazon. The people that make the most money in this world either own their own business, like Jeff Bezos is the richest guy in the world for a reason, because he owns Amazon. Amazon is the best business in the world, and he owns it, so he makes the most money. Now, what you can do by becoming an Amazon seller is to get closer to the sun, closer to the fire that is Amazon, and that fire will start to heat up your life a little bit more. It will start to increase your income as well. The closer you are to the big ball of bright fire that is taking over the world, which is Amazon, the better chance you have of making money. That's my logic, and that's what I'm taking into the 2020s and the 2030s. So hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out the links below, and thank you so much for watching this. Have a good day. Bye.